welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Thank you for staying with us, watching our videos, learning a few tips and tricks from us. Today we want to show you how we made this beautiful work shirt. You know, it's almost like it's like a tee. You could wear it to work, you could wear it over your jeans, wear it over a very nice mini skirt or an ankle length skirt, and then be on your way. Now I'll go straight into the workings of this top. We majorly used double crochet stitches, and we used the 5mm hook size. We made this top for a size 8 individual female. All right, so we started at the yoke. We made a yoke. Yoke basically means working a certain shape. You could work, it could be a square, it could be a circle. This time around we use a square, but not a square of equal sides. So we work the front part, we work the sleeves part, then you have the back part, and then the other sleeve in the round. This particular project was worked in the round. We started up here, we changed the number of stitches that would allow the head to pass through, and then we worked our way down. Now we did something interesting to the yoke, meaning that for the front part we infused these beautiful stitches, which are like a double crochet together, and then a fan of 6 double crochets, and for different rows. So basically a repetition of 2 rows. Repetition of 2 rows. The first row consists of chains and 2 double crochet stitches worked together, and then the next row is a repetition. It's single crochet stitch and then a fan made up of 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochet stitches, and so it created this very beautiful thing. We maintained it for just a particular length and worked it all the way down the front. Now for the sleeves part, what we did is we infused the chain stitches so that it created this very nice filet mesh looking pattern. You know, it gives it a lacy feel where you can see the skin from underneath the fabric. And then the back we worked it blocked, right? You can see the beautiful double crochet stitches. You know, like we worked in diagonal, we worked in the round, but we worked diagonally, meaning we work on the right side and then we work on the wrong side. This is, you know, the entire thing. So we worked all the way down and then created at the point where it measured enough, usually for a size 8. I think we have like a 7-inch, you know, armhole depth, and so at that point we now joined the front and the back together, leaving the holes here for the arms. All right, and then we'll continue working around, maintaining the stitches. See that? Another interesting thing we did for this top is that we started the top part with peach. Somewhere in the middle we infused a strand of black, and then we ended it with black. So it has this very nice ombre looking thing from the peach all the way to the black. When we're done, we edged the neckline, we edged the sleeves, we kept the sleeves short and really simple. Okay, this is a very beautiful top. Like we said, do like, place a nice comment, and do not forget to subscribe so that you can receive notifications for when we bring you these simple, beautiful tutorials your way. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now until our next tutorial.